Why is my car engine knocking?
Should have done some fucking oil changes. So it's actually funny that this is here. Typically what's happening is that when your vehicle gets deprived of oil, this is like a little piston inside of your engine. It's because these guys are starting to have the issue with inside your engine. And either lack of oil, maybe it's a timing chain guide or a timing chain tensioner, but if your engine is knocking and it's going knock, 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 and let's say the knocking's getting worse when you're hitting the gas, holy shit, I'm sorry, holy smokes, you should be fucking worried, because you probably are going to need an engine, because you probably went way too fucking long on an oil change, or you don't have enough oil in your engine.